Abadlali asebemkantshubomvu beqembu lama Blitzboks bathi bakuthokozele ukubuya eqenjini ngaphambi komlenze waseHamilton weWorld Rugby Sevens Series. Umqeqeshi uNeil Powell usekhethe ukuphumuza abanye abadlali njengoba ebheke imidlalo yama-Olympics eJapan ngoNtulikazi. AmaBlitzboks athi afuna ukuqhubeka nokuqhwakela esicongweni selog nalapho ebambene khona neNew Zealand ngemva kwemiqhudelwano emibili yokuqala yesizini.
Kwenziwe uguquko ebadlalini kuleli qembu ababuya namaphuzu angama-41 kwangama-44 emqhudelwaneni emibili yokuqala. Emva kwalomlenze osingethwe Hamilton kuzosala imidlalo eyisithupha euchungechunge ye-Sevens. Kule miqhudelwano kuyophoqa ukuba ama-Blitzboks ashaye kwasanokuvukayo uqoqa amaphuzu ngobuningi.
I think important for us to more or less manage the guys through the season to make sure that we can finish strong in the World Series but also be ready for the Olympics in July.
Abadlali bazimisele ukuqikelela ungaphunyuka komqeqo wabo abebegijima ngawo emlenzeni emibili edlule yalomqhudelwano.
Everyone's gunning to get a place at the end of the season for the Olympics, but I think we have to take it tournament by tournament.
Njengoba ukapteni weqembu siviwe soyizwaphi ezobe ngekho ngenxa yokulimala, iqembu lizoholwa Stateman Hans enkundleni. Ebadlalini abazobuyiswa kukhona uHans, uCecil Africa, uBranco Dupree, umula Duplessis kanye noVerna Kok.
I think the main focus for me personally this year is to make the Olympic squad, but what's saying that is also to contribute and to commit to the team and make sure that I do my part to make sure that we successful leading up to the Olympics.
Kupool B ama-Blitzboks aqhathwe neJapan, eEngland kanye neKenya.